Hello everyone, this is Jim Krasinski with your week 2 screencast video. Pardon my raspy voice, but seasonal allergies is getting the best of me. So I'd like to point out this week's activity. On Tuesday we have discussion board 3, which is all about writing experiences, and I'll get there in a second. Responses are due on Friday this week, and then on Sunday the AI mirror essay is due, and I'll do a quick run through of that particular assignment. All right, so let's get over to the module. Once again, I want to point out the readings, resources, and activities. The Essay Basics Handbook is a must read for some students because it'll help you with some great tips on writing college essays. I urge everyone to read through the beginning of the particular handbook. This is a COVID era remnant that I use in all of my classes. It's a free online version. So here I talk about organizing and formatting an essay. Also, be aware MLA guidelines are required. It's part of our course objectives, so you want to make sure that you read through the MLA guidelines. Within this section, I have a link right here to the Purdue OWL. The Purdue OWL from Purdue University is an online writing laboratory. It'll help you obtain information on MLA formatting. If you look at the general format on how to format an essay, according to MLA guidelines and the general guidelines here. Formatting the first page of your paper is important. This right here is an example of the first page of your MLA guideline essay. All right, so that resource is not only found here in the Essay Basics Handbook, but it is also found here with a direct link to the Purdue OWL. All right, so that's the resources that are available to you there. So let's get over to, once again, I'm going back to the module. Discussion board 3, I feel, is a very straightforward response to the prompts here. Think about specific essay you've written. This could be from high school, another college course, or even outside of school. Okay, it might be one that you loved, one that was a struggle, or simply one that stands out. Okay, so I want you to reflect back on the writing experiences, good or bad, and it's looking for you to respond in essay details with whatever that experience might be. And if you did use AI to address this prompts here, how did you use it? What was the output from AI? Was it beneficial to you? Did it help the writing process? Okay, so I'm looking for about 300 to 350 words. It's a way to provide some sort of brainstorming into the, I should say, build into the AI mirror essay. All right, so we already have one post in this particular discussion board. So let's get over to the module again, and then our next writing assignment. It's not our last. But anyway, please read the introduction. I don't want to go through all of this in this video. Here is the prompt. And these are 2 specific prompts that you have to answer in your response in writing this particular essay. This is the purpose of this particular essay assignment. First prompt is why you have been using AI to bullshit your essays in the past. I'm sure by now a lot of people have used AI to help them BS essays, pull it together, and that connects directly to discussion board 3. If you've never used AI in an essay, then tell me and respond to why have you been bullshitting essays in the past. Once again, the prompt is the key. Audience is all of us. This assignment's main goal is to think about past academic actions, how AA might be affecting your intellectual growth. It's a narrative essay. Gives you practice in developing your own voice and backing up your thoughts with concrete examples. Now, here are the requirements, and this is critical. Okay, narrative first-person style. I want you to tell me about your personal journey and your personal experiences using evidence, examples from past writing classes. Okay. Also, you want to use those specific examples. Don't talk generally. Give concrete, specific examples of essays and assignments where you used AI or just where you BS'd. Describe the assignment and the situation. Explain how you used AI. What did you use it for? Okay, go into detail about your mindset. What are you thinking and what happened after you used AI in that instance, and dig into the why. The why is the important aspect of this particular essay assignment. All right, so this is about your BSing an essay and why you did it using personal experiences as evidence. All right, and reflect. We're looking for about 800 to 1,000 words here. You can upload a Word or PDF document to this assignment, and remember, MLA guidelines apply. All right, so this is the first essay assignment due on Sunday the 28th. If you have any questions or issues, you can reach me via email. Okay, let's get back to the schedule. As you can see here, good luck.